This is the Mbira instrument from Zimbabwe in Africa. It's been around for over 1,000 years. It's used for traditional music of the Shona people, sacred music, songs for prayer, for healing, for community events and gatherings. It's a very large part of their culture, and I fell in love with it over 10 years ago when I first heard it, and recently began to study it formally about 4 months ago with Dr. Rick Alviso, professor of world music at Cal State University Northridge. He also holds a PhD in ethnomusicology from UCLA. He is an amazing teacher and expert in this instrument's playing technique, repertoire, and culture. I have been working with him to learn this instrument. I am only scratching the surface and hope to have somewhat of a context and repertoire myself in time for my field research trip there in April of 2020, a few months from now, where I will fully immerse myself in this music and their culture. A couple interesting things about the instrument. First of all is the construction and design. You have these metal tines that are played with the thumbs and index finger. They have a quick attack and a long decay as such. Also, you'll notice a vibrating, buzzing sound. The instrument is not broken. That is by design. These resonators vibrate sympathetically. So without them, it's actually a kind of a plain sound, in my opinion. Let me see if I can dampen them. Here we go. And with them, you get some more character, some more grit, some more flavor, if you will. So the instrument's not broken. It vibrates intentionally. Another interesting thing about the instrument is the tuning system. It's very unique. It could sound out of tune to your ear if you're not used to the sound. I assure you it is not out of tune. It's by design. This particular instrument is in the traditional tuning called Nyemaropa. The closest thing we have to that tuning in Western music is the Mixolydian mode, which is a major scale with a flat seventh. Most of the tunes are in compound meter of 12/8 with a 3/2 polyrhythm. I think that's why a lot of percussionists fall in love with this. It's because of that juxtaposition. And it's a diatonic, meaning all of the notes are within the key of the instrument. That helps to create some more resonance and overtones. And yeah, I think that's it. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you can have the player's perspective here to see me play the traditional tune called Kariga Mombe, which means strong bull, assuming that might be played for someone who's in need of the characteristics of a bull, like courage, determination, persistence. So here we go. Kariga Mombe. 1, 2, 3.